Gusto ka talaga nun. Ah? Pero paalala ko lang, minsan ang gusto lang nila ay yung attention mo. So, bandang huli magkakatalo pa rin yan kung susunod ba siya sa instructions mo o hindi. Okay? Mas pansinin mo yung mga rin. Totoong buhay, ikaw talaga yun. Diba? Kumbaga, you walk the walk. Diba? Tihan. Okay? Ang silbi lang talaga ng DM ay para makuha ang number niya. So, dapat maikli lang ang usap nyo. Walang kwentuhan. Test din una, isang maliit na test lang din yun. Right? Ang mga inaalam ko lang sa DM ay kung taga saan siya, working ba siya, or studying. At kung ano man ang sagot niya,
Hold on. I'm going to like this. Hold, sir. I'm going to backing. I'm going to backing. Hold on. Yeah. Thank you. One side.
What are you doing like that?
Backing up. Because there's a lot of cars.
yun. Tsaka ilang taon na siya, kung ano yung trabaho niya, kung ano yung inaaral niya, at kung ilang taon na siya. Halos ganun lang kaikli talaga yung anak ko. Pero, dapat man to woman pa rin ang conversation niya. So, kaya imbis na taga saan ka, ako ang sinasabi ko, Manila.
That's my ID.
Sir, different
Yeah,
different picture.
I know.
We are recording.
Okay.
Bro, different picture,
I
bro.
know this is my physical ID, and this is my updated one. Sorry, I don't have the one,
Bro.
but you can take a picture.
No.
Can you try?
No. This is
This is my
illegal.
phone. No,
This is very
no,
illegal.
it's not. It's not. Can you take a picture, please?
Let me see your ID. I don't touch it, okay? This is expired, sir.
I know.
I cannot
Yeah.
expired, sir. I
I
cannot
know,
accept.
but you need something to show
You
me.
need to renew that, sir.
I know, but I
Expired.
don't have that right now. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I just. So can you try to take a picture of this? If it doesn't work, then I'm responsible. Why don't you just try to take a picture of it? Why don't you try to take a picture of it? If it doesn't work, go home.
I asked the customer service to call me
Okay. Why don't you just take a picture of this?
because I'm abiding the law, sir.
Bro.
I'm a good person, sir. One second, I'm gonna back now.
Because you're a fucking serious.
I'm waiting to the support. I'm not.
If you don't want to do it, then.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Hello.
Okay.
Hi, agent.
The high before blue does the
Turn
boot.
it down.
Yeah,
Turn
the
down.
customer is like forcing me to scan his screen ID, and his ID physical is expired.
Okay, got your issue.
And the customer don't believe me the rules. Plus, can you tell the customer we are
No,
loudspeaker right now?
it's okay. If you wanna go, go.
Sir, I'm so sorry, sir. I can't
Okay,
do
okay,
it.
oh, got it. Please allow me a moment. Let me check here. Just a second, please.
Yo, listen. You're not gonna cause a scene in my whole street.
Sorry, yeah, sorry.
It's
I'm
very,
gonna
very fucking loud. Right?
apologize. My bad.
No.
Have a respect, sir.
Okay?
But I cannot do it, sir.
No. If you wanna do it, no. Try it. Scan it or no. You have the food here. Please.
I'm going to return everything, sir. I don't
You
eat
ain't
like
gonna
that.
get shit. Please, brother. I'm showing you everything I can get. Can you just scan my ID, man?
I cannot risk my
Brother,
DoorDash account, everything. Okay, I'm going to do that.
of
And
course.
please pay me. Oh, no pay. I know.
So why did you just do it? Why did you scan it?
Because I'm
Why
not
did you
gonna
just fucking
resell, sir.
scan it?
Yeah.
She's gonna see that.
She told me I have to return.
Of
So,
course she's gonna see that.
sorry, sir. Please next time do it. Like, respect my time. Okay, the customer is intoxicated. I feel unsafe. I'm so nervous right now. Thank you for being there for me. Are you the one I'm chatting right now? Hmm. Okay, bye. Thank you. I'm gonna rate you 5 star.